Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to unbox the Xiaomi Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 Basic. As you can see, they're white and they come in this blue box, which is quite standard for them. And we're going to open the top and open the flaps, pull out what box could come. Oh, there we go. Nothing else in the box. And then basically we have the earbuds here, which we have a little tape that we pull off, and then we have the earbuds here, which we're going to put on the side. We have the charging case here. Let's put it on the side. On the bottom, it seems to be a USB cable for charging the case, and it seems that there's a little pouch on the top, which I cannot access. Oh, from the bottom, we can get the manual, and there seems to be nothing else inside, okay? So we have the manual with the instructions for the earbuds, and then we have the case cable. The case seems to be wrapped around too, so let's pull out the tape. And then we basically have the case for charging, and then we have the cable. The cable seems to be a USB-C to USB-A charger, which once again, I wish it was a USB-C to C because that's what I mostly use. And then these would go inside to charge. So basically there we can see that actually the light turns on the box for the charging case, which means they have some charge. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 Basic. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about these earbuds, let us know in the comments below.